So today I'm going to share with you guys the Tamanzo Long Straight Remy Hair Wig. This is a natural black. This is also a banged wig. So this is actually a wig with bangs, okay? And this is also a heat resistant wig as well, okay? So this is my very first time buying a wig on Amazon, and I thought, you know what? Let me go ahead and do an unpackaging. We can unpackage it together, and I can show you exactly what you're going to expect when you receive your wig. Now, the reason I chose to get this wig was, one, because I wanted to change my hairstyle. I am a wig wearer. I do it for protective styles, just to protect my own natural hair, and this is a great way to do it, right? And so just to change up my hairstyle every now and again, my birthday's coming up, I wanted to do something a little different. And so let's see what is all in here. So we've got a nice bag that the wig comes in, and of course you can actually reuse this if need be to keep your wig in if you would like, which I love. Oh my goodness, I can already tell, like, it feels amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my, okay. So here is what the actual wig looks like just right out the package, okay? So let's take a look at it. All right, first of all, you've got a hair net over it, okay? And so I'm gonna be very, very, very careful in removing it because I wanna keep everything intact, because this is one of those wigs that I just want to keep straight. I have no intention of putting any heat on this hair, although it is a heat resistant hair fiber that's being used for this hair. So you can actually put heat to it, okay? But me personally, I'm going to try to just keep this hair as straight as possible because I do want to wear this straight. As you guys can see, it is very, very long, okay? And just from what the hair feels like, oh my goodness, it feels amazing. Oh my, yes. Oh, I'm very impressed with the way the hair feels, okay? Now, let's take a look over here. As you guys can see, we've got our bangs over here. So it might need a little touching up upon receiving it, but to me, it doesn't really look like it. As long as I can brush it out, which you can tell by the way I'm running my fingers through it, that it, just from doing that, you can tell this is, oh, that feels amazing. I'm very impressed, okay? So here's where the bangs are, and if you need to cut the bangs, you absolutely can. According to what it states on the actual page for this particular product, they do say that the bangs are a little on the longer side, so if you want to cut them, you absolutely can. Of course, this is the top portion of the wig itself, and if you want to use some, concealer to kind of, have it match your skin tone, depending on your skin tone, you can do that. But guys, just from what I can see, oh my goodness, this is gonna be awesome. So we've got the inside of the wig here, which we've got our wig clips, as you guys can see here. There's two on the side, and then there's one on the back, and then it also has the straps to tighten the wig as well. And more than likely I'm going to use the elastic band method on this wig, but if these straps work out on their own, I may just do that and keep it moving. But as you guys can see, this looks incredible. I am very impressed. Oh, I'm excited about wearing it. Oh my goodness. But yeah, guys, this is a very long wig. The hair is beautiful just from running my fingers through it. I am super excited. But yes, I just wanted to share this with you guys because this is my very first time purchasing a wig on Amazon, and oh my goodness, I am impressed and I'm so excited to try this out.